Hello guys, welcome to my video. In today's video I will tell you about winrar. So this is the website of the winrar and I will tell you about the multiple things. So rar lab winrar, download winrar. If you don't know about what looking, then probably looking for the winrar 64-bit version. So from here we can download winrar. Select download winrar. These are the things which are be mentioned. So these are the platforms of the winrar. So I will go of the winrar compress, encrypt, package, and backup with only one utility. With over 500 million users worldwide, winrar is world's most popular compression tool. There is no better way to compress file. Express express of the file express of the file, providing the email transmission and well-organized data storage option. winrar also offers solution for users in all industries and sectors. winrar is a powerful achiever extractor tool in popular files formats. rar and winrar are the Windows and Windows 10 compatible, available all over 50 languages in both 32-bit and 64-bit, compatible with several operating systems and compression software that can work with Unicode. Move toward the products. The amount of the data business and individual need to process on a daily basis of growing exponentially every year and increasing and every changing requirement of the protection of sensitive information. New government regulation limits storage capacity, safeguarding of intellectual property, protection information. winrar product provide individual businesses, government agencies, and other industry with the perfect solution of the sharing and storing data in a safe way and a secure way. Compression winrar products are considered best and faster compression tool at the market. rar and zip file protect, organize and share them safely and securely. Encryption military grade AES 256-bit encryption technology that password protect archive including all metadata. rar file winrar is one software that can create winrar archive, offer a number of advancement features such as multi-volume archive, light tight compression with a recovery record. Password manager integrated password manager assists in keeping a track of difficult and harder to remember password and for password protected archives. Perpetual perpetual license model valid for lifetime for a no subscription recovery record. winrar products are designed to recover damaged files or split archive into smaller and more manageable files. Backup advanced backup option. Time is append files, previous file continuous retention. Drag and drop language version. winrar products are available 40 languages. Virus scan of building virus recovery corrupted been unpacked. Multi-volume archives and self-provided on Unicode compliance and Windows and such things are being mentioned here. So industries. Legal encryption, sending file securely. winrar compress and store file securely. Archive of the file of the archive to file to save space. Archive repair tool, archiving of file to save space. Encryption to send file securely. Compression to secure and send files and save space and unpack and scan suspicious file. Archive repair tools. Finance archiving to file save space and encryption for sending storing files, sending utilizing and winrar perfect for commercial businesses enterprises. For the big and the winrar Mahnoor Technikal language in English. So I will tell you about the partner program and the global program support, FAQs, loss keys, Windows 11 statement, and these are some of the things. I think that will be the end of our video. Thank you. Bye.